Welcome to Online Nursing Education channel. In this video lesson, we will discuss 50 important questions related to nervous system with its answer. Let's go to the class. Question number 1. Structural and functional unit of nervous system is A. Epithelium, B. Neuroglia, C. Neuron, D. Isolates of Langerhans. Right answer is option C. Neuron. Question number 2. The nerve takes nerve impulse from brain towards an organ is known as option A. Sensory nerve, B. Motor nerve, C. Mixed nerve, and D. Reflex arc. Right answer for this question is option B. Motor nerves. Third question. Nerve takes nerve impulses from an organ towards brain is known as A. Sensory nerves, B. Motor nerves, C. Mixed nerves, and option D. Reflex arc. Right answer for this question is option A. Sensory nerves. Fourth question. Other name for sensory neuron is option A. Afferent neuron, B. Afferent neuron, C. Synapse, D. Glial cells. Right answer for this question is option A. Afferent neurons. Fifth question. Other name for motor neuron is A. Afferent neuron, B. Afferent neuron, C. Synapse, D. Glial cell. Option B. Afferent neuron is the right answer. Sixth question. The cell that are found in myelin sheath is known as option A. Neuron, B. Neuroglial cell, C. Microglia, D. Schwann cell. Right answer is D. Schwann cell. Seventh question. Neuroglia supports and protects which cell in human body? Option A. Glands, B. Neurons, C. Muscle, D. Epithelium. Right answer is option B. Neurons. Eighth question. Among the following, which is the abundant inhibitory neurotransmitter in central nervous system? Option A. Acetylcholine, B. Adrenaline, C. Noradrenaline, D. GABA. Option D. GABA, that is gamma aminobutyric acid, is the right answer. Ninth question. Layers of neuron within the spinal cord that perform specific function is dash. Option A. Arachnoid matter, B. Laminae, C. White matter, D. None of the above. Right answer is option B. Laminae. 10th question. Total number of laminae present in the gray matter of spinal cord is option A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, and D. 10. Right answer is option D. 10. 11th question. Hypothalamus and thalamus are in option A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Diencephalon, option D. Limbic system. Right answer is option C. Diencephalon. 12th question. Which among the following is the function of parasympathetic nervous system? Option A. Constriction of pupil, B. Increase in heart rate, C. Contraction of hair muscle, and option D. Stimulation of sebum and sweat glands. Right answer is option A. Constriction of pupils. Question number 13. Synaptic vesicle in neuromuscular junction release option A. Dopamine, B. Acetylcholine, C. Epinephrine, and option D. Adrenaline. Right answer is option B. Acetylcholine. Question number 14. Organs and glands are regulated by A. Autonomic nervous system, B. Parasympathetic nervous system, C. Sympathetic nervous system, and option D. Reflex arc. Right answer is option A. Autonomic nervous system. Question number 15. Use of cocaine interfere the reuptake of which neurotransmitter? Option A. Dopamine, option B. Acetylcholine, option C. Epinephrine, and option D. Serotonin. Option A. Dopamine is the right answer. Question number 16. At synapse, a released neurotransmitter bind at option A. Presynaptic membrane, option B. Postsynaptic membrane, option C. Axonal membrane, and option D. Cell body. Right answer to this question is option B. Postsynaptic membrane. 17th question. Node of Ranvier found in option A. Axon, option B. Cell body, option C. Glial cells, and option D. Dendrites. Right answer to this question is option A. Axon. 18th question. Which part of brain is called as lesser brain? Option A. Cerebrum, option B. Cerebellum, C. Limbic system, and option D. Parietal lobe. Right answer is B. Cerebellum. Question number 19. Second largest part of the brain is option A cerebrum, option B frontal lobe, option C cerebellum, option D parietal lobe. Right answer is option C cerebellum. Question number 20. Area of receptive speech located in option A frontal lobe, option B parietal lobe, option C temporal lobe, and option D occipital lobe. Right answer to this question is option C temporal lobe. Question number 21. Identify wrong statement about neuron. Option A neuron has many dendrite and one axon. B. Neuroglia supports neuron. C. Without oxygen and glucose, neuron cannot survive. And option D. Neurons can divide. Right answer to this question is option D. Neurons can divide. It is a wrong statement about the neuron. All other three options above mentioned are right statement about neurons. Question number 22. Which sensory nerve receptor helps in maintenance of balance and posture? Option A cutaneous, option B proprioceptor, option C postsynaptic receptor, and option D dendrites. The right answer is proprioceptor. Question number 23. Dash is the place where a nerve impulse passes from one to another. Option A cell body, B myelin sheath, C axon, and option D synapse. Right answer is option D synapse. Question number 24. Structure that occupies neurotransmitter in neuron terminal is option A synaptic cleft, option B synaptic vesicle, option C axon, and option D synaptic node. Right answer to this question option B synaptic vesicle. Number 26. Space between pre and postsynaptic neuron is option A synaptic cleft, B synaptic vesicle, C presynaptic membrane, and D neuromuscular junction. Right answer is option A synaptic cleft. Question number 27. Which among following is not a glial cell? Option A astrocyte, option B ependymal cells, C lymphocyte, and option D oligodendrocyte. Right answer to this question is option C lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is not a glial cell. All other options are example of glial cells. 28th question. Difficulty in speaking and understanding speech is termed as A ataxia, B aphasia, C agnosia, D dyslexia. Right answer is option B aphasia. 29th question. The fluid which act as a cushion for brain and spinal cord is A plasma, B peritoneal fluid, C blood, and option D cerebrospinal fluid. Right answer is option D cerebrospinal fluid. Question number 30. The most important indicator in Glasgow Coma Scale is option A motor response, option B verbal response, option C eye opening response, and option D reflexes. Correct answer is option C eye opening response. 31st question. The glial cell take part in formation of blood-brain barrier is option A astrocyte, B ependymal cell, C oligodendrocyte, and D microglia. Right answer is option A astrocyte. 32nd question. Meninges is a dash. Option A layer of tissue which surrounds neuron, B layer of tissue which surrounds brain, C layer of tissue which surrounds spinal cord, and option D layer of tissue which surrounds both brain and spinal cord. The right answer to this question is option D layer of tissue which surround both brain and spinal cord. Question number 33. Identify the correct order of meninges from inner to outer side. Option A dura mater, arachnoid matter, and pia mater, B arachnoid matter, dura mater, and pia mater, C pia mater, arachnoid matter, and dura matter, and D pia mater, dura mater, and arachnoid matter. Option C is the right answer. Question number 34. Claw finger deformity is caused by paralysis of option A radial nerve, B ulnar nerve, C median nerve, and option D thoracic nerve. The right answer is B ulnar nerve. Question number 35. The two lateral ventricles open into the third ventricle at the option A foramen of Luschka, option B foramen of Monro, option C aqueduct of Sylvis, option D foramen of Magnum. Right answer is option B foramen of Monro. Question number 36. The innermost layer covering the brain is option A dura mater, B pia mater, C arachnoid matter, and D blood brain barrier. Right answer is option B, pia mater. Question number 37. The third and fourth ventricle communicates through option A, septum lucidum, option B, tentorium cerebelli, option C, cerebral aqueduct, and option D, blood-brain barrier. The right answer is option C, cerebral aqueduct. Question number 38. Which is the most sensitive and earliest indication of increasing intracranial pressure? Option A, alteration of level of consciousness, B, headache, C, projectile vomiting, and option D, widened pulse pressure. Option A, alteration of level of consciousness is the correct answer. Question number 39. Right and left lateral ventricles of brain are separated by option A, falx cerebri, option B, node of Ranvier, C, septum lucidum, and D, cerebellum. Right answer is option C, septum lucidum. Right and left lateral ventricles of the brain are separated by septum lucidum. Question number 40. Unsteady gait is otherwise known as option A, apraxia, option B, ataxia, option C, dystonia, and option D, aphasia. The right answer is option B, ataxia. Unsteady gait is otherwise called as ataxia. Question number 41. Which part of brain involves in maintaining CSF pressure? A, arachnoid villi, B, choroid plexus, C, fissure, and D, cauda equina. The right answer is A, arachnoid villi. Question number 42. Which one of the following is a mixed cranial nerve? Option A, trigeminal nerve, B, hypoglossal nerve, C, abducens nerve, and D, spinal accessory nerve. Right answer is trigeminal nerve. Question number 43. Among following, which is not the part of brain? Option A, cerebrum, B, medulla oblongata, C, pons, and option D, spinal cord. Right answer is D, spinal cord. Question number 44. If a person moves from lying to sitting position, CSF pressure will A, increase, B, decrease, C, remains unchanged, and D, may increase or decrease. Option A, increase is the correct answer. Question number 45. Among following, which is the largest part of brain? Option A, cerebellum, B, cerebrum, C, spinal cord, and option D, medulla oblongata. The right answer to this question is option B, cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain. Question number 46. Which structure greatly increases the surface area of the cerebrum of brain? Option A, grey matter, option B, white matter, option C, gyri, and option D, corpus callosum. Option C, gyri is the correct answer. Gyri increases the surface area of cerebrum. Question number 47. Corpus callosum of cerebrum is made up of option A, dura matter, option B, grey matter, option C, pia matter, and option D, white matter. Right answer is white matter. Corpus callosum of cerebrum is white matter of neurons. Question number 48. In which lobe primary motor area of cerebral cortex locate? Option A, frontal lobe, B, temporal lobe, C, parietal lobe, and option D, occipital lobe. Right answer is option A, frontal lobe is the lobe primary motor area of cerebral cortex locates. Question number 49. Skeletal muscle movement of right side of body is controlled by motor area of which cerebral hemisphere? Option A, right side, B, left side, C, dominant side, and D, both right and left side. Option B, left side is the right answer. Skeletal muscle movement of right side of body is controlled by motor area of left cerebral hemisphere. Question number 50. In which lobe somatosensory area of cortex locate? Option A, frontal lobe, B, temporal lobe, option C, parietal lobe, and option D, occipital lobe. The right answer is parietal lobe. Somatosensory area of cerebral cortex located parietal lobe. Thank you for watching this video lesson. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for getting all the new notifications. Thank you.